We may have started late, but this is important for me especially. And I know for you clapping hands because you can get goosebumps, right? You never knew our national anthem can sound this good. Now, because we're a country of all races, right? Let's close with the English. Huh? Let's go to Britain. Take me to England. Okay, let's go English, my friend. Policeman, you can play in English, right? Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. A big round of applause.